Hi ladies and boys, welcome back again dari sa tuang YouTube channel ug karon another confession sad ang ato ang basahon nga pwede ninyong paminawon wherever you are karon or whatever you are doing right now. Ug syempre kung namoy mga reaction, opinion, mga shout out and more ay i-comment na siya kay ato na siyang basahon every after sa ato ang mga confession. Unta kay rantanan og unta naaramos sa maayong kahimtang karon. Og karon ladies and boys, mga higalay igsoon, ania na ang confession nga atong basahon karon. Can you imagine us before? We used to be enemies. Magbakog hilak ang adlaw kung di ta magdinunggabay. I am always a teacher's pet before. Tigpaningil sa floor wax o gamutan. Tigsugat sa maestra para bitbiton iyang gamit. Tiglista sa tabian, sirok, sigig kalate, absinot o guban pang maot na batasan sa mga nilalang. Di ko sipsip. Sadyang ambot lang jud sa teachers nga nung ako pirme. Tapulan manunta ako sa balay. And you? Rule breaker. Grabe ka ka-tidy kay limpyo kang imong record sa class o record sa maestra. Og has kang hugawa sa kong listahan kay permi gyud nga naa imong ngalan. Absinot, sigig late, sigig cutting, nakanotice ka? Wa gyud kay maayo na part. Puro negative. Bisan unsaon na kog pagka-positive, mo negative jud basta naa ka. Kamaayo gud nimo no? Imong kalipay, akong kasakit. Burag gikahimayaan kay gyud makita ako nga gisapot. Di ko anak anghel nang isihan pa ka human nimo daoton akong adlaw. Should I name all of those? Imong giilog akong papel atong nagkwista sa math nya inisinggit kag cheating. Nagvandal ka sa washroom sa bahay with my name. Gipa-guidance pa ko. Gimora nimo ang teacher using my number. And many more. Isn't it amazing? Can I clap my hands for you? No, I'm not happy. Ana sila, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No way. That's why I named you Taz, because you're evil. One afternoon, ka-practice migsaya with my co-dancers. Unya gitawag ko, kay gitawag daw ko sa principal. Nagtagbo pa ta sa hallway pero nag-smirk lang ka. Inahan sa kanunayng panabang. For sure, ikaw nasab pa ka na ane. Pagsulod na ko sa faculty, nag-form ang circle ang teachers at sa principal's office. Mura gadulag trip to Jerusalem. Pagsulod na ko sa principal's office, kay mura kog lansangon or silutan. Tanang mata na nako. Gabigay na kong tendons and everything in my skeletal system. Nanawag na ko sa tanang santos. Gipalingkod ko nila sa tunga. Sa tunga, jud. You know who caught my attention? Your mom. Naghilak. I can still remember what she said, but these are not the exact words. I am the mother of Taz. You surely know him. Please help me. Wanaw kay baon sa nako siya. I-remind lang siya through call or any means. Basta please, name your price. Sos, unsa pa may pulos atong lakiha sa kalibutan noy. Nganong natao pa ka nga bati man jud kay kag batasan. Gahatag ra kag problema dong. Okay baon sa akong gibati. Nagkatawa ko kay mura kog nasa salida. Pero naluoy pod ko si mong mama. I can never imagine any of my family begging for me. Mura kog naglutaw. I just smiled upon seeing your mom, wiping her tears while I nod. I'm not doing this for you, for your mom only. Wako gapataas sa Dutch, then she handed me your number and hers, and I also gave mine. And this feels like hell. Pagagabian na, nag-text si mong mama. Good evening. Wala pa siya. Please and thanks. Memorize pa nako ni nga conversation between the two of us. Ako kang giingnan, nga uli na. Di na magsigig pamayot. Mitubag ka nga, kinsa ka? Gwapa ka? Mamati ka? Mitubag ko nga ako imong karma. Uli na please, stop spreading AIDS. Mitubag ka nga pamintaloy. Buing ka? Bugo. Mitubag ko nga kinsay buang na to. Kinsay bugo na to. Kinsay sigig ka late sa klase. Sigig cutting classes. Sigig absent. Tagaan ti kag award ron. Dan mitubag ka nga, ikaw pala yan. Ay pag sigig text ba? Kana imong i-load, ipalit na og mahalo na ballpen. Di kay puro inincheck. Dan ako kang giingnan nga uli na oy. Mitubag ra kag, kabisi ba namo? Gadot ako. Mitubag ko nga mag-long test ta sa mathugma. Sa moto nga nag-flood text ko an ikaw puro mura ang reply. Natog na lang ko sa sigig reply sa imong ka-nonsense. Pagkabuntag, aiha pa ko kabasa sa imong text sa imong mother. Thanks, nakauli na siya. 12:00 na. Wow, magandang ihemplo jud. Nya gitawagan din ti kag ika 11,522 and half calls pero wa jud ka nitubag. Giteksan ti ka kamulong biyahe padong sa eskwelahan. Ika 1 million kay lami biyang Nokia 1100 sa una. Taod-taod, nainingsod sa classroom na basa kay buhok. Ikaw yan. Imo pang gitumban akong Parisian na shoes. Remember? Naa daya inisod, onya ning announce na walay klase. Haskang bundak-bundak nimo. Ang uban lipay na kayo murag Pasko. Ikaw kay murag Biyernes Santo. First time ka nga wa na late, onya wa pa yoy klase. I just love your agony. Ning baklay ka pagawas, ning sipat pa nako. Askang sa puta jud nimo. Motong gisundan ti ka. Abi pa lang, tagbo kayo imong kilay na sumpay na daan. Tas jud. Then mingon ka. Unsa nasab ka? Kabisi ba? Bet ko nimo ba? Then mitubag ko nga di ko gapatol og bayot. Then mitubag ka nga di mampud ka gwapa. Hala, nabikil akong corona. Pasagpa ka sa akong awards and titles like Miss Intramurals. Kung unsa kagahi imong suwang, maapod kagahi akong agtang so nagsunod-sunod ko nimo. Nya nanulod tag cafe kay nag-order kag meal for one person. How gentleman. So ni-order pud kog snacks, good for 3 persons. Sabay ingon nga siyahan ni i-charge. Mandrugas kay ka. Dako rabag kaon. Then nasundan na dayon nag mga happenings, ruining each other's day. Ang days na himong weeks, ang weeks to months, sige na tagsabay. Ning biya na ta sa tong tagsang barkada. Open na ta sa both families. Kadumdum ka atong gisaniban ko sa imong kamaayo. Naghilak-hilak ka kay na ospital imong mama so nang gawas ta. And you brought me to internet shop. Nagdota ta. Kamaayo ba? Manunglog mama. Nagsingle tagdota, ang mapildi maoy mo bayan. Okay, maayo ka pero mas maayo ko. Lipay kay ko, maliit na bagay sa'yo. 5 hours rabiya pod, 10 times 2. After that, we went strolling around the park. Datuta nagpinusila, dinunggabay og tanang makapatay na dula. Bitaw joke. Nagkaon-kaon tag quick-quick, isaw, and more. Nagkaon-kaon tag kwek-kwek ug isaw. Nanghanggat pa kag kaog balot, ning ludluod pa ka, suka-suka, gabidlion Japon di ay ng bayot na demonyo. Di kay sumo imong nawong ba? Classmate ta sumag-uban ta weekdays, mga laag pa ta after class, og magtawag-tawag og text-text hangtod makatog. Then pagka Saturday magdota ta. One Sunday ning text ka na kuyugon ti ka magsimba. Dadto ko nakaingon nga irihiman guro ning tawana. Di kahibaw manguros, di kabaw mo kanta og manabat. Hangtod na human ang misa. Wa ko kapugong sugi pangutana tika kamulong baklay pa uli. Ning kusog pangulan. Kamay kay akong payong. Pero salamat sa blessings, Lord. Gipangutana tika kung first time ba nimo magsimba. Mitubag ka, nga lahi man tag beliefs pero garespeto ko sa inyo. That's why I'm here. Gusto ko mananghid niya na manguyab nimo. Then there, I get the chance to see the other side of you. The real you. Messy hair, dark brown eyes, pointed nose and kissable lips. The perfect face I used to hate. Just Mayo Marimar. Nangulbo akong kaspa. But you said, no, wata nagdali. Ning dili-dili pa ko, pero gisugot radi ay after a month. Kiniagi na pod kog pagka-jologs, ning tuo pod ko anang mansari. Excited kay kog adto sa school though walay klase, kay PTC nya basin i-surprise ko nimo. Na-surprise juday ko kay matod sa atong classmates, gikan ka diri og nilakaw mo kuyog imong barkada kay makig morning the night. Nagbakho tawon kog ayagak pauli. Have you experienced the feeling of wanting someone so much? Niabot og 9 PM wa ka nagparamdam. Nakatog na lang kog hinulat sa imong text. Gipok ako sa akong manghod kay naa daw sunog. Ning layat tawon ko og gadali-dali pagawas. Only to find out nga nangaon ramog ice cream sa veranda. Napay teddy bear and dedication cake that states, Happy Mansariot. Gikariya na jud nato atong pagkabayot. Then we celebrated those for many times. We even publicized our relationship by posting our photos together on our social accounts. Everything is wonderful. You get good grades and good school records. Words is never enough for me to tell you how proud I am. And then one Friday, yatod ko nimo sa balay. Og you refuse to get in kay ana ka labad imong ulo. I received no text from you that night but I managed to understand kay labad imong ulo. 10 PM, wa pa Japon ka nagparamdam so I sent you some messages. I just can't sleep without knowing you're safe at home. Wa man Japon ka ni reply. Ni text mong mama, nagkuyog mong tas, enjoy the night. My heart's beating so fast so I call you for many times but cannot be reached ka. Nag-call ka mga 4 AM just to inform me nga nag-uban mo si mong kuya kay nalabyan kaniya. You were waiting for a cab after you brought me home and then I sleep peacefully. I don't know where did I get the courage. Another month came, nagtambay ta sa inyo ha. You were taking a bath so I was busy scrolling my news feeds. I saw your friends having a good time with girls where I think in a bar. Ichika ponta na ko nimo but nalimot na ko. Our relationship is never perfect. I once caught you talking to a girl on your phone. Anak ka nga batchmates nato sa grade school. Nangumusta ra? So I shrugged the malicious thoughts I have. We graduated together, spent the summer vacation together. We went traveling. I am beyond happy and contented. I get cabinets full of teddy bears and things you gave me. My favorite is Tas because I see you on it. We even agreed about spending the rest of our lives together. We will build a 3-story house with a pool in front and a rooftop where we will be spending occasions with our families. I love to do those with you. We will be happy then. Then one of the scariest moments happened. One of our mutual friends called me. Gusto daw siya makikita. Since we are neighbors, we chose to meet near our house. Then he asked me, unsay mong buhaton kung imong partner nag-cheat? This guy is a varsity player. He's known to be a heartbreaker. So I answered him nga karma is real. Then I was wondering why he acts like he's feeling unease. A bad feeling I have. Tanungutan ako niya, can you just say it straight to my face? Then mitubag siya, ngay mong uyab, nag-char-char og lain. I've been keeping this for so long and gakakonsensya ko. I trust my task. Di ko mo to sa uban. Kang task ara. He can't do that. Then he opened his gallery and shown me photos. Familiar photos. Narealize na ako, these are the photos I saw before. His friends including this guy with me and now and with girls. Morning gabi una nga nag-text siyang mama nato kung nagkuyog ba mi. I tried to convince myself not to believe what I am seeing. They are drinking. My task is drinking with a girl on his right side. The girl he once talked with on phone. Then the last two photos are the two of them. They are in front of a hotel room. Room 127. The second photo is they are kissing while getting in the room. The girl's arms are on his neck. He got this biggest smile I never saw when he's with me. I don't know what exactly I am feeling. I uttered my sincerest thanks and I left. I went to my room and I had no idea how did I feel asleep that night. The following days were weird. Galikay ko nimo. 2 weeks nga wa ako nagpakita. Di kay mo reply sa mong text messages ug motubag sa mong mga tawag. Nagpa-enroll ko for the coming new school year without informing you. You didn't fetch me, then gikuha ako nimo kay wa kay kuyog sa inyo ha. The house seems silent. Kung naay matagak na dagom, madunggan for sure. Ayha ra ko mo storya pag naa kay questions. Naglantaw lang tag TV. Why does it feels like luod kay ka? You hugged me so tight and told me how much you love me. I just laugh. Nganong lisod na kayo tuuhan. Nagatawar ako sa mga char-char na chika. Anak ka nga, ikaw ra ako Ako ra? Sure ka? Then for the first time of forever you cast. Anak ka, unsay nahitabo na ko kay nagpag-o na ko. If I'm seeing new guy ba? Naulit ka kay nagpa-enroll ko without informing you. I just gave you my fake laughter. Ikaw pa talaga ang galit. But I just couldn't help it. I cried. I cried a lot. I burst out all my pains. Ako pa lugar ang nagbago. Ako di ay nagpataka og buhat sa butang without even bothering to inform. Those moments with you are all lies. Aren't they? You don't deserve my trust and love. Do you? I have loved you fairly. How can you betray me? I cried a lot but you just let me. How can you do that? Pangit ba ko? Kapalit-palit ba ako? Or because I can't do that thing with you? We agreed that marriage must come first before that because that's too precious. Right? I asked you a lot of questions but you never answered even one of those. I wanted to hear your side but you are making me believe that those are all true. I broke the SIM card you just bought me. I look at you. You are just staring at the ceiling blankly, like nothing bad happens. It's ironic, isn't it? Starting today, no more messages and calls from you. I said, trying to calm myself and I left you. While I was walking away from you, I cried even more. You know why? Because you just simply let me go. o ako nimo pugngi. Every steps feels like a distance from you. The more steps, the more distance. First time in my life, naghilakay ko sa jeep. I don't even have the shame even if people are already looking at me. Ninawag ko sa park, the place where we used to eat our favorite street food. You always call me Mandurugas or Baboy here. We used to lie down here. We will then identify the stars. Cassiopeia akong favorite. Si Big D pa imuha. Darita first nagka-close. Darita dapita nagka-uyab. Dari ka dapita ng uyab. Dari ti ka gisugot. Papod ko nag-expect na dari ko maghilak human sa atong mga kalipay. I tried eating the street food but why does it taste weird now? I sat on the grass. Why it's not fun anymore? Ning baklay pa ko padong sa balay. Ning sod ko sa kwarto og nag-Facebook. Pastila na lang jod. Di jod dapat mag-upload og photos kay maglisod tag delete. I just can't let go of our memories but I deleted some. Ning katawa ko kay nakita ti ka nag-like sa post sa atong mutual friend with your new FB account. Wow, ikaw pa'y nilikay? Ikarir na jod? I looked at all our photos. I miss my smile because of you. I miss you. Sa walay pagduaduha, gitsyata ka. Okay na ta please. Can we do it again? I just can't live without you. That started our second chance. I took nursing course and you enrolled yourself in a short-term course kaya wala pa kakadecide. The day before class, nagtambay ta sa inyo ha. We watched movies, we ate, we had fun. Why does it feels like it's my last day here? Then the class started. We were both busy. We seldom talk with each other because I pretended that I was busy with school stuffs. You know what I just realized? I still don't trust you. I still can't give my full trust and love. I started to date other guys and it's weird because I was enjoying it. The real happiness I felt before you cheated. Then one thing I realized, di ra ikaw ang lalaki sa kaliputan. Then one night, a guy offered me a ride. Ihatod ako sa mua. Ning sugot pod ko. While I was on our way ning stoplight, wako ka-shield kay ang abay sa car na akong gisakyan kay ang car sa imong ate. Kita siya nako kay both cars kay open ang windows. You called me that night. I see this coming. Nag-expect na ko ani. He cried. Giburst ni mo tanang pagmahay. Nganong nabuhat na ko? Asa ka nagkulang? Pangit ba ka? Angay ba kang ilisan? Naminaw ra ko. Then the last 4 statements we have. Mingon ka. So what's the plan? Mitubag ko. Nga ikaw. Unsa man? Mitubag ka. Nga aw, sige. Ani na lang ha. Then mitubag ko. Nga sige. Then call ended. The years we have spent together vanished. I deleted all our photos. I am feeling free. I unfriended you. And I am loving the freedom and new chapter of my life without you. I never heard from you for a year except that you stopped studying. I can't deny that you have no dreams even before. You keep on telling me that you don't understand why you should study when your parents are already rich. I dated lot of guys, but wala na ko ginakomit akong self kaya I still don't have the trust you broke. Till I met someone. Someone who is opposite of you. He is full of dreams and I'm on the top of those. He's older than me. He's an engineering student. He always have time for me. If we are not together, he'll text me everything he does. He took photos to tell me where he is and what he is doing even if I'm not demanding it. That pushes me to love again. He deserves everything. I graduated as cum laude. Head nurse na sa work actually after a year. Engaged kay engineer. Then nagsunod ta sa groceryhan after 2 years. Naniwang na ka. Lahi na mong looks, you have birds already. In other words, lahi na ka atong kita pa. You're still wearing those plain V-neck shirt and faded skinny jeans. I can't help but smile with my thoughts. This is the guy I used to love before. I smiled first, mura kag na ulaw, so I initiated. Nangumusta ko nimo. Itubag kag okay lang. Congratulations di ay. Itubag kog, para asa. Og mingon ka, gikasal na ka last year, di ba? Mitubag ko, yes. How did you know? Mitubag siya, nga gusto ko nimo. Then mitubag ko, paghilo mo'y, masakpan bitaw ka si mong uyab ba? Then stop atong chika kining dagan akong anak. I can see your smile while looking at my son. Mingon ka, gwapuha oy, liwat sa mama. Gwapa na nurse. Then mingon ko, may invite you if you don't mind. Bunyag sa akong second child next 2 weeks. Mitubag lang kag sure. Then mingon ko, ngahoy, ipang-delete na to atong picture sa imong Facebook account ba? Nagchika atong classmates before. Naapa daw. Then mitubag ka, ay ha na pag fully okay na ko. Gingisihan lang tika, umingon ka, unsa kahag nagkita no? Siguro wala ko natambay ron. Nakagraduate na pod ko with a stable job. Ikaw man ang gamotivate na ko. Siguro naaputay anak. Ma-achieve na to atong dreams. Pero mitubag ko nimog, but we are distant apart. Mitubag ka, and I regret all these days. Ug ako kang giingnan, nga I am happy now. Happiness na abinakog ang makauban ra ka. You will agree with this too. Ning tango lang ka. Then nagchika ta about our families. And yes, even your family is missing me. Sige lang, mula agira ko soon with my own family there. For the 3rd time, we parted ways. And this time, for good na. Now we both have families. Wala man na dayon og build atong dream house, dream family together. But the one thing is for sure. We were both happy even if it means not being together. Thanks for the things you taught me. The biggest thing I learned is not to give everything when you love. Kung di pa ka sure. Ni-agree atong family nato. Walay ning babag. Pero nakasala ka. Sala na nakaguba sa tanan. The room 107 is the witness of our ending. But I am glad. It proves me that endings sometimes lead us to where we should be. To the person who is the best for us. Ladies and boys, mao kana ang usa confession nga gikan sa usa ka nurse. Mo na giingon nga kung naay mawala, naapoy moabot. O karon ladies and boys, atong basahon ninyong mga shoutouts, comments, and more dari sa tuwang YouTube channel. Hi kang Dimple Snaps, grabe kasakit ba oy? Jason, tosad naman, insert pa o baya by Moira. Hello bay gamay. Divine Barimbaw. Hi pa shoutout from Oroqueta City. Hi kang Izzy Aba. Kang Jenny Bugs. Kang Tahomila. Og shoutout pod kang Rosaline Gazo. Apil pod kang Mary Quintas. Hi bay gamay pa shoutout from Libuho, Dinagat Islands. Thank you. Renato Lonzaga, shoutout to you. Siguro sender during sa time nga kamupa dili jud siya na fully move on siyang ex. Bisan pa man after sa tanang pagbalik sa ex sa imuha, wife nabuhi ang pagbati mong move on na lang ikaw sender para sa imong anak. Always listening here in Hong Kong. Gikan na siya ni Mitchell Dumaog. Mo na siya gikan sa confession nga sa pana o sa ex. Pangitana sa tong YouTube channel ha, paminawa. I'm sad to you sender, but you have a baby. It's a blessing. Take good care to your baby. Hi kan Daisy Imperial. Shoutout pod kang Irene Manigos o kang Christine Morano. Pa-shoutout by gamay. Luzville Ampusta. Pa-shoutout by gamay. Thank you so much po. Marimay Amparo. Pa-shoutout by gamay from Jensen. Thanks. Dagang salamat kayo sa inyong pagpaminaw. And also, shoutout kang Chrislyn Abenido. Apil kang Aiza Colores. Just continue to pray sender and don't lose hope. God is good all the time. Tama. Aida Lapura Mayol, hi to you there. Jonaline Isclamado. Grabe ng balik tanang sakit sa past oy. May God bless you sender, stay strong. And hi pod kang Arya Bell Mamhot. Cheer up sender, kaya ranin mo na. Og hi kang Kim Dador, nag-comment siya sa tong confession nga buros ko pero naa siya'y laing kabiga. Ingon si Kim nga, I feel you sender. It's not easy being single mom but there is nothing wrong also sa pagka-single mom. I felt your pain that you feel pero usara ako maingon nimo. Keep going sender, wala ka gainusara. God is with you. I-surrender siya ang tanan na pain na gibati nimo. He will help you. Kung feeling nimo gainusara ka, na si God, wala dyan na siya nibiya sa tua, kita ang nibiya siya. Dahil rason ng tanan sender nga nung gakahitabo. Laban lang, kaya ni mo na. Nakaya ganin ako to, pajud, nakaya ganin ako nga duha pajud ako ang baby. Kanang gapang down sa imuha, kataw ira na sila. Imuha silang motivation, huna imuhang baby. Jane Policarpio, I feel you sender. I really feel you. I've been there but be strong. Someone will accept your past and love your present and will be there in the future with your little angel. Tama. Marie Chris Quijano, hi. Shout out to you. Pasalamat ka sender. Wala pa mo nakasal kay dili tanang kasado malipayon. Anyway, sender, ayaw pakawala o paglaom. Doon na pa'y mahigugman nimo in the right time. Ayaw lang pagdali. Og dili sad kay ikaw ra ang napaangkan. Mary Ann Gutierrez, I feel you as a single mom. Okay ra na kay dili ka kasal. Ako nag-guide sa forever na kasal na walay ayo. Rosalyn Gaso, thank you bye gamay sa pag-shoutout og sa tanang mga nag-comment na minaw sa mga dili mag-skip og ads. Salamat kaayo gyud sa kanunay nga pag-suporta. Hangtod na lang sa sunod nga higayon, ako si Bay Gamay mo ingon na og amping kanunay. Love ya.